Hello everyone. Write short notes on the following. When you write short notes, it should be written in 4 to 5 sentences and read the particular paragraph from which you can get information and write answer in about 4 to 5 sentences. First one is veterinary science in ancient India. It's clearly given in the textbook or in the lesson. Care of animals in the regime of Emperor Ashoka. Here, during the time of Emperor Ashoka, how did he take care of animals? What did he do? That you have to write in about 4 to 5 sentences. Utilization of animal byproducts in ancient India. That means byproduct, curd, dahi, then cow dung, meat, all these things. Now 6. Form pairs. Complete the following table through discussions. See what is given here. First one is student. How a student should be? What are the necessary qualities of a student? He should be sincere, hardworking, respectful, obedient. These are some of the necessary qualities. Reason. What is the reason? Because today's children are future generations. So, in a student's life, he has to get education and later on he can take his own career and contribute to the nation. Second one, teacher. Teacher should be hardworking, duty conscious, should have professional teaching skills, necessary qualifications, etc. And reasons, because a teacher is a role model to the students. Students obey or students imitate what a teacher does. So, it is necessary that first a teacher should have these qualities and then only she can appear before or she or he can appear before students and teach them. Then housewife. Housewife should be loving, caring. He should be organized, cheerful. Reason. Should be proud for the well-being and warmth of the family. Next, sportsman. What are the qualities of the sportsman? Team spirit. He should be confident. He should accept a defeat with a smile and work hard for next time. Reason. Should not be proud and accept defeat in the right spirit. Artist. Artist should have an aesthetic mind. Means reason. What is the reason? Artist should be able to express his feelings, imaginations, emotions through art or contemporary issues through art. Singer. Quality. Have a good voice modulation. Reason. Should be able to entertain or reach the audience. Author. Author should be a good writer. He should be able to convey messages through writings. What is the reason? Young and old generation should be able to learn and they should love reading. And he should motivate the young generation. Umpire. Umpire should be knowledgeable. He should know everything about the sport or what is the game there. Impartial. Good observation. Reason. Should take the right decision to be fearless. Actor. Actor should know the art of acting naturally. He should reach the audience. His reason is he should be a good entertainer. Scientist. What are the qualities, necessary qualities to become a scientist? Means observation, classification, inference. reasoning ability. All these skills he should have. He should discover science which is useful to mankind. And reasons should be an asset to the society. In this way, you have to write answer in your own sentences. Note